Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video is going to be a glitter pink Valentine's make tutorial. I will be using the Morphe Boss Mood eyeshadow palette. So these are the colors, so pretty, right? So I'll be using this for today because it's an affordable palette. So if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about makeup, click subscribe and a notification bell so you don't miss any new video. To get started, I prime my lid. So using the Morphe 35 and Boss Mood palette, I'm gonna go for the crease. I'm gonna go in with this light brown shade right here. Then I'm gonna go in with this darker shade brown. For all over my lid, I'm taking this pink shade right here. It's like a future pink. I'm using my Real Techniques shader brush. It's gonna go all over the lid. Let's zoom in a little bit. Okay, so I want the entire lid covered with the like a dark future pink color. Next, I'm gonna take this sparkly pink shade, and it's gonna go right on top of my lid. It's gonna go all over the lid, all sparkly, because I'm creating a glitter pink look for Valentine's Day. Woo woo. So taking my flash shade, this is Morphe M421, and I'm not an affiliate with it, so this video is not sponsored by Morphe. So this is how much product I have, and let's put it right on top. I love it. Now I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. Because I tend to have fallout. And then I'm going back to, where is it? Oh, going back to my crease brush, and I'm gonna take back the brown shade, this dark brown shade, going back to the crease. For the brown bone, I'm taking this. For eyeliner, I'm taking Eyeko London. This, you could find it at Ulta Beauty. It's a liquid eyeliner. It is super affordable. Let's zoom in. For mascara, I'm using Wonder Beauty Unlash Volume and Curl Mascara. For foundation, I'm using Maybelline Super Stay Full Covers 24-hour foundation. For concealer, I'm using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. This one is in the shade Vanilla. For setting powder, I'm using the Essence Brighten Up shade Banana Powder. And then apply some all over my face to set my foundation in. For bronzer, I'm using the Butter Bronzer by Physicans Formula. This one is in the shade Mori. So. For highlighter, I'm gonna use a liquid highlighter today. So I have the Tarte's Pro Glow highlighter. This one's in the shade Expose. And I'm gonna use my Royal Nickel Glow Brush. I'm gonna take a little bit. Pat it with my fingers. What else I gotta like pat it around. And then now for the lips, I'm using the Kat Von D Lockets Lovesick liquid lipstick, and I'm gonna swatch it for you. I absolutely love this shade. So pretty. And to top it off, I'm going to use my Tarte's lip paint. Shade is Insta-famous. It's just like a clear, sparkly shade. It's a lip gloss. It's not a liquid. So I'm using this as a center. And working it on. For setting spray, I'm using the Tarte Radiant Mist setting spray. This is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.